Good morning, Hong Kong, and welcome back to another episode of Hong Kong Insurance 101, and our first video of 2023. This week, we're looking at ways companies can protect themselves from professional liability risks through indemnity insurance. Now, no matter how skilled and experienced you are, mistakes can happen. That's where professional indemnity insurance comes in. Professional indemnity insurance, also known as errors and omissions or malpractice insurance, is a type of insurance that helps protect professionals from the financial consequences of mistakes or oversights that may occur in their work. There are several reasons why professionals in Hong Kong may want to consider purchasing professional indemnity insurance. The first is that professional liability can be costly. If you are sued by a client for professional negligence, the legal costs alone can be substantial. In addition, you may be required to pay damages if you're found to be at fault. Professional indemnity insurance can help cover these costs, protecting your personal and business assets. Secondly, professional liability is a risk for all white-collar professionals. It doesn't matter how experienced or skilled you are, mistakes can happen to anyone. Professional indemnity insurance provides an extra layer of protection for professionals in the case of an unforeseen event. Thirdly, professional indemnity insurance can help with compliance. Depending on your industry, you may actually be required to have professional indemnity insurance as a condition of employment or to obtain certain business licenses. By purchasing a professional indemnity insurance policy, you can ensure that you're in compliance with any relevant local regulations. And finally, professional indemnity insurance can protect your reputation. In addition to the financial consequences of a professional liability claim, such an event can also damage your reputation and credibility. Professional indemnity insurance can help protect your reputation and allow you to continue serving your clients with confidence. Now, there is always the risk that any client may say you have caused them a loss. Whether this was because they feel the advice provided by a company was wrong or an employee simply made a mistake, there is a great deal of risk that, at some point, a company will have to deal with a professional indemnity issue. So, when shopping for professional indemnity insurance in Hong Kong, there are several key factors to consider. The first is your coverage. Make sure that the policy you choose covers a wide range of potential losses, including legal fees, damages, and any other costs associated with a professional liability claim. Secondly, exclusions. Review the exclusions on the policy carefully to ensure that there are no gaps in the coverage you are receiving. Thirdly, limits. Look for a policy with high limits to ensure that you have sufficient protection in the event of any significant loss. And finally, price. Compare quotes from multiple insurers to find the most competitive price while retaining the key benefits that are important to your company. Not every professional indemnity insurance policy will work for every company. And further to this, not every company requires an errors and omissions policy. A baker, for example, would not be encouraged to purchase this type of protection. It is important that you obtain a professional indemnity solution that fits your business activities. Otherwise, you could be left exposed even if you have cover in place. That's us for this week. As always, we hope you have a happy and healthy weekend. Remember to like and subscribe to stay current with all our content as it comes out. And don't forget to ask CCW. We're simplifying your insurance.